Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working F250. So to take this airbag off or the steering wheel, first what you want to do is remove 3 screws. They look like this, and I'm using 5.5 millimeter. I don't know what's in standard, but I've noticed 5.5 works. So they're located underneath here, one right here, right there, and right there. Also, for better access, you could probably remove this. Just pull on it, and that comes off. So to take this apart, you just have to pry it and pull on it. Make sure you don't break these tabs. They go inside here, just like that, and you just pop them out on both sides. To take this one bottom off, and once you take the top one off, you just twist it. Comes off, and then the bottom one, make sure you pull it this way a little bit so it comes off the ignition. And then when you pull it down, there's this lever holding it, and I use the T15. Like this, like a star. And I loosened this, took this one off, and then this one just dropped down. Now you have access to here, and there's 3 like pins or something holding it. This is my other steering wheel, so you have to go in here, 1 here, 2 and 3. I'll show you in a minute how I do it. I'm going to demonstrate it on this steering wheel because it's kind of hard to get in here. So pretty much I did the bottom, then I twisted the steering wheel down, did this side, and that when I was doing it, prying it, and then I was pulling on this a little bit. So I'm gonna demonstrate on this steering wheel. See, when you have airbag on, like this, when you look in the back, see that right there? That's holding it. That right there, this, and this. So what I did first is remove the bottom one, just pry it. Once you're prying it, you want to pull on the airbag in the back, and that's supposed to come off. Once you pried it and pulled in the back, that comes off, and then you put some pressure, that way it's off. Then you do the other side. And then you do the last one, and that's how you take it off. Once I did all 3, now it's loose. And you have access to here. So to disconnect it, you have to disconnect this and then this part. So to disconnect this part, you have to pull this little gray thing out, and then just pry it lightly this way, and then it pulls out because it clips right here on that thing. And to pull this one out, you just have to press it right here and right here. Press both of them and pull it out, and your airbag comes off. But make sure your batteries, there's no power to the car when you're working on airbags or anything electrical. Make sure you disconnect your battery. So when this is out, now you have access to your bolt. So next, we're gonna have to remove the steering wheel if you need to. Usually it's always best to have it straight before you remove it. So for this one, I'm using T50. It looks like this. So for this, I used T50 with extension, and that worked. So the best way to loosen the bolt is to, this the bolt looks like, someone holding it, or have something or lock it if you can, and unscrew it. Also, there's a, before you take the steering wheel off, there's like this plug right here. You can use a screwdriver, pry it right here, and then take it out. And then you can pull the steering wheel off. Make sure you don't mess up the spring, airbag spring, or clock spring it's called. Be careful with that. You make sure the steering wheel is straight, the wheels are straight. When you put it back on, there's a pin lining it up. And that's how you pretty much take off the steering wheel. Now it's loose. I'm gonna install it back. This is a different one. And pretty much same thing, how you took it off, just backwards. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching. And yeah, put it back pretty much in reverse order. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.